Okay, hi. Welcome, DeFi community. My name is Victor Rortvedt, and welcome to the very first Tribute Tuesday. I'm joined here by.
Patrick Gallagher. Welcome, everybody.
All right, we are excited to launch this. This is just a quick little series of videos that we're going to do every week to sort of tell you what's going on in the Tribute and rToken project universe, so you can keep apprised as to what's happening with this pretty exciting technology. So to lead it off, we're going to talk about community updates. Pat.
So let's dive into the community. Right now, we got a couple things going. Mostly it's all in Telegram. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to jump into the general Telegram chat for rToken. And that is where you're going to get all your questions answered and kind of your launch pad for where you want to go after that. And the way you do that is there's going to be links in the description of the video. You can start there, and everything that I say right now is going to be listed. So once you've kind of situated yourself in the Telegram, you can dive deeper, and let's say you want to work on the smart contracts. Well, we have a Telegram group that was set up specifically for developing on the rToken platform. And so Peter Pan from Metacartel set that up, and it's very nice. And in there, we're discussing protocol layer, smart contract layer, and people who want to build on top of rToken. And if you want to see the GitHub for rToken, we have the link for that, which is what Victor's showing right now. And beyond that, we have, what's next? We have the rToken Twitter, of course, where you can get updates. And we have our own repo organization for Tribute, which is where we've actually started working on the rToken contracts, helping to add the proxy function to the rToken contracts before those get locked in to a code freeze and get audited. So there's a lot going on, and we hope that you will join and contribute.
Yeah, and a couple more things. So we, like every other project, now have a Twitter ourselves for the Tribute layer. As a quick just description, sort of the rToken project is very much focused on building these smart contracts to enable interest-directed payments. Tribute is focused more on the UI end, on the ability for users to be able to leverage this technology and to build out the infrastructure to have people be able to make use of this. So we've got a Twitter page. We've got our demo, which shows how we built this at ETH Boston. If you're very curious about that, we've got our dev post here. We're going to be linking again to all these things below. A little bit more exciting news. We were mentioned in the Metacartel, sorry, here it is, funding wave 2, where Metacartel, which is a wonderful project about bootstrapping the ecosystem, made awards to Mint-Base, Kickback, and Odyssey in the last round. And in this round, RDAI was one of the winners of a proposal grant from the Metacartel DAO. And our humble project was also made a cameo here. So we're really excited to work with both the RDAI, rToken project, and the folks that are sort of surrounding that to help us bootstrap, including the Metacartel. So congrats to all the winners there, Pokemon and Daosaka Daiko as well. Another quick note, we are excited to be working on the Graph Hackathon. We're going to enter that. Pat, if you want to talk just for a second about what we're thinking about.
Data. It's all about the data. So we want to be able to understand where Tribute, which is interest in rToken, where that's being sent, and then who's receiving it, where it's coming from. And the best way to do that is to create a subgraph. And we're going to be entering that. And if you want to help, hop over into the dev channel, and we'll hack this out.
Yeah, and we're continuing to try to build this out both on the technical side with a lot of solutions. We're also trying to build it out on the community side. We had the opportunity to go on the MakerDAO community call. That's me babbling on to the MakerDAO community here. David Utrobin was kind enough to invite us on. We had a good time sort of talking about what this technology is capable of if we can actually build it out right. So it's a very motivating thing to think about what this can enable. So that's what's kind of keeping us going here to build this out as an open source project to enable this kind of network of payments based on interest to really exist. So the other thing, though, that I think is kind of the thing that we're most actively building right now, and that we'd invite you to participate in if you are interested in these projects and this subject, is to come join us on tributeforum.io. This is sort of an open discourse page where we're trying to sort of ideate and design what the tribute layer of this is going to look like, and to think about all the kinds of different use cases and how to build sort of an infrastructure layer that can be robust and standardized and stand the test of time. So if you're interested in helping build out this part of the corner of the ecosystem, this is a wonderful place to check out. And we would also love for you to contribute if you have suggestions. So you can get us here at tributeforum.io and also at send_tribute, which is, again, our Twitter page here, send_tribute. So we'd love to hear from you. Oh, and I guess the last thing I could say is we are going to be at DEF CON, and we are very excited to meet other RDI groups and people that are interested in this whole ecosystem. So we hope to be able to have some really productive conversations and meetings there. And we are going to have t-shirts. Hooray! Look at these sweet t-shirts. So if you see us at DEF CON, come say hi. The back of these t-shirts are going to say, "Number never go down." So ask us what that means. We'd be happy to talk your ear off about it, but also to see if we can build this community correctly. And if you are enthusiastic enough, you could walk away with a sweet tribute t-shirt V1. So hopefully, if you're interested, you'll see us there, or you can get at us on Tribute Forum or on the Twitter. So until next Tuesday, I'm Victor Rortvedt.
I'm Patrick.
Take care.
See ya.